Okay, hello YouTube. Now it's the evening, and I'm stitching together this sleeve of that thick sweater. The bits and pieces are ready, and now I'm stitching it together. So, like this. Yeah. It's I always take the last or the first of the row when I'm knitting without knitting that one. No, I just take it on the needle, and so it becomes a bit. Now I'm doing the same twice in the same. It's a bit larger. It's for 2 rows. Every one of these is for 2 rows. Yes, and now I'm stitching this together, so I have like this and like this. And so on. Every 5 or 6 centimeters, like that, I do a double stitch, so it holds that I won't run this main. Yeah. Like this, and this again. It is just a nice ordinary work like this. Yes. Okay. And now here's the. So I will again do a double stitch here. Tends to twist a bit, and then you have to take care it doesn't twist too much. So these are very quick. I think I made this in 3 days. The whole sweater, the parts. Yeah, like this. Then you will have it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. There's one more in this, so I have to make an extra like that. But it doesn't matter, you can do it. Everyone can do things like that. Like this and this. Now, and this. This is the last one. Okay. And so, here we are. One sleeve has been stitched, and I'm turning it to the right side, and then I can try it on. It's just one sleeve, but anyway, so there it is. There it comes to the back and front pieces, and so I'm gonna stitch it together, and then I will put one more part to this series of maybe tomorrow morning, or I don't know, maybe even this evening if it's if I'll get it ready. So long. See you.